We have the management now joining us, Mr. Devesh Bansal, Director at Skipper, who's joining us from Kolkata. Mr. Bansal, thank you very much for joining us today. Good to have you on the show. Can you share some details in terms of the international expansion that's taking place within the company?
So, Skipper obviously is a very strong domestic player in the transmission space in India. However, since the last 3 to 4 years, Skipper has been consciously expanding its international presence in various markets such as Latin America, parts of Africa as well, and Europe. Recently, we've managed to penetrate certain new markets in the African continent, which include locations such as Congo, Cameroon, Ghana, and even in Southeast Asia and Malaysia. So it's part of our strategy to actually de-risk ourselves from being overly dependent only in the domestic front to actually expanding our footprint internationally.
In terms of revenue contribution, if you could divide between domestic and international, and where does it stand? What's the outlook ahead?
So in FY16, Skipper, the international portion of our overall engineering segment was almost 45%. However, it was an exceptional year. We expect the international proportion to be roughly around 30 to 35% going forward, as well as in this year.
All right. And in terms of your order book from the export market, where does it stand?
Currently, the order book that the company enjoys has almost about 25 to 30% as the international component. However, this is fluid and it keeps fluctuating as we execute newer orders and receive newer orders. But at the moment, it's about 25 to 30%.
Are export orders high on margins?
On an operating level, the domestic as well as international orders are more or less similar. There are certain gains in terms of our forex hedging policies and other things, but then on an operating level, it's more or less similar.
Now, talking about your PVC segment that you operate in, you had guided for a 70% YOY growth in FY17. Are you still on track to be able to achieve that growth target?
Last year, the company grew, the PVC segment grew at about 75% on a year-on-year basis. The target, the broad macro target that the company has set out for itself is to grow along similar lines going forward. There might be minor fluctuations on a quarter-to-quarter basis, but then, yeah, on a year-to-year basis and over the next 2 to 3 years, that's definitely the numbers that we are looking at.
And for this, are you looking to expand capacity further from the current levels?
Currently, on the PVC division, we are at a capacity level of about 40,000 tons per annum. We will be looking to expand capacities in areas or in geographies which are doing better than the others. But yeah, I mean, not immediately, but then yes, definitely maybe at the later part of this year or going forward, we will be looking to expand capacities.
Any target for FY17 that you have? I mean, in terms of expanding the capacity that you already have in mind, what will be the capex?
On the PVC front, we will be looking to at least expand by another 15 to 20,000 tons by end of this year. However, this call will probably be taken a little bit later as we see more traction coming in the various markets, and then we consciously decide to invest into certain markets for expanding capacity.
Now, your company has also gotten approval from Power Grid for its pole division. Can you share the details? What's the total quantum of the order here? And we understand Power Grid is quite important for the company and the orders from that company.
So Power Grid has traditionally always focused more on the transmission side, but it has been receiving orders from the government on nomination basis for certain distribution projects as well. Recently, the Northeastern Distribution Network project has been awarded to Power Grid, for which they have already started the tendering process. And we are very privileged that they have chosen us as an approved manufacturer for the poles portion of it, which is the equivalent of towers in case of transmission. We are one of very few companies in the country approved by Power Grid, and we expect decent volumes to come in from this.
And what's the total quantum of the order that you've got from Power Grid?
Right now, we've gotten the approval. It's going along. During the course of the year, we'll be looking to receive orders from the EPC contractors who secure orders from Power Grid.
All right, and last question, as far as your plant in Hyderabad is concerned, what's the status? Are we on track to, see it getting completed within this financial year itself?
No, so the Hyderabad plant was actually commissioned on 15th of June. It was also released, so that's already been commissioned, and we are now going to look to stabilize it and then take out maximum output out of it during this year.